If you're happy and you know it, tap your shoulders. If you're happy and you know it, click your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, click your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, click your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, blink your eyes. If you're happy and you know it, blink your eyes. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, blink your eyes. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray.
Hi everyone, how do you feel today? Oh great, it's the time to learn literacy. Do you like to learn literacy? Yes. Do you remember our last lesson? Which letter we have learned? We learned all about letter G. Letter G. Today we are going to learn all about letter H. All about letter H. I am going to teach you how to write letter H, the sound of letter H, what are the words starts with letter H, the jolly phonic song of letter H, and what are the hands-on activities we can do for letter H. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Here we go. Letter H is a consonant. As we all know, we can see two red lines and two blue lines. You all know this is our headline and this is our leg line. These are two tummy lines. Yes, first I am going to write uppercase H. There are two types of letters, uppercase and lowercase. So first I am going to write uppercase H. It's very easy. We'll start from the headline and it goes to the second tummy line, a standing line. Stop it. Keep gap and again we'll draw a standing line. Starts from the headline and goes to the second tummy line. And we'll join these two lines with a sleeping line. It's very easy. One more time. A standing line. Up to the second tummy line. Go back and keep a little gap. And draw a one more standing line. And we'll join these two lines in the middle with a sleeping line. One more time. A standing line, one more standing line and join together with a sleeping line. Yes. Are you ready to practice with me? This letter we call capital H, mother H, uppercase H and big H. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes, take these two fingers. Yes, a line goes down to the second tummy line. Go back to the top. Yes, one more, a standing line. We'll join these standing lines with a sleeping line. Yes, one more standing line. We'll join these two lines with a sleeping line. Now I am going to introduce lowercase h. It starts from the headline and it goes to the second tummy line, a standing line, and after that we'll make a bump. Yes, let's write now. A standing line up to the second tummy line. Stop it, go to the middle and take a bump like this. One more time, a standing line. It should be very straight. Yes, go to the middle and take a bump like this. You can say hump or bump both. Yes. Are you ready to practice with me? Take a standing line. It goes to the second tummy line and go to the middle and take a bump. One more time. A standing line and from the middle a bump. This letter we can call as baby H, simple H, lowercase h, small h. Do they look same or different? Even though they look different, they make the same sound. What's the sound of letter H? Now you know how to write uppercase and lowercase h and what is the sound of letter H. Now let's see what are the words starts with letter H. One example you can see on my head. What is this? Hat. We used to wear the hats on our head. Mostly we are wearing hats to protect our head. But as a fashion also we can wear hat. Can you see my nice hat? Do you like to wear hats? Girls can wear hats for the functions. Number 2, house. House is the place we used to stay happily and freely. Do you have a lovely house? Number 3, horse. Horse is a domestic animal eating grass. So, horse is a herbivorous animal. Herbivorous also starts with letter H. Horse can gallop. Do you know the sound? The galloping sound? We use horses for races and carry the loads. Number 4. What is this? This is my hand. Hand also starts with letter H. We have 2 hands. It's a part of the body. This part we call as palm and there are 5 fingers in each hand. Show me your hands to me. Yes, I can see your hands. Number 5. The last word is hop. Hop means we are using one leg to move one place to another place. Do you like to hop with me? Now you know 5 words start with letter H. Are you ready to remind all the words which we learned today? Number 1, hat. Number 2, house. Number 3, horse. Number 4, hand. Number 5, hop. Now it's the time to sing Jolly Phonic song of letter H. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, start. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. One more time. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Now you know how to write letter H. What is the sound of the letter H? The word starts with letter H and the jolly phonic song of letter H. Now it's the time to do hands-on activities. Are you ready? Today I am going to use shaving cream for hands-on activities. Stay with me. Here this is shaving cream. First shake the bottle. Shake the bottle. Now I am going to put the shaving cream. It's done. Now I am going to level. Oh, nice smell coming. Now my tray is ready, so I am going to write. First I am going to write uppercase H, a standing line, yes, go back to the top, again standing line, join with a sleeping line. This is so funny activity. I know you all enjoy this activity. One more time, a standing line, go back to the top. Standing line, yes, and line across. It's really enjoyable activity. Make sure to do with your mama and take Papa's shaving cream for this activity. Okay? Yes. Now I am going to show you how to draw lowercase h. A standing line, same way, and go to the middle. If you have food coloring, you can use food coloring as well to do this activity. So funny. Enjoy this hands-on activity. I know you will really enjoy this activity. Now I am going to add the colors to the shaving cream. So I have red color, blue color and green color. And also I have yellow color. So I am going to add the colors. See, I'll spray like this, just randomly I will do it. I'll put some spots, yes. Then I'll add blue color. If your mama has food coloring, you can borrow some food coloring from your mama, but don't waste the colors, okay? Otherwise mama will get angry. Yes, green done. First I am going to draw uppercase H. You all know how to write uppercase H now? Yeah? A standing line. Again standing line. Now let's see how to write a lowercase h. Yes, a standing line. Go to the middle and palm. You can see the rainbow colors now. I hope you all enjoyed my activity. My next lesson is letter I. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.